Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Start off with some cards. Resilient. May your soul weather the storms. Awe. May you see the sublime in the everyday. Expansive. May you connect to the whole. Lightness. May the light lift you to the surface. Bliss. May you feel deeply and transcend. Joy. May you pursue what lights you up. Free. May your soul sing freely. Stick that one at the end. Journey. May you seek adventure. Magic. May you flow with the divine. Let's scoot those down. And then receive. May you know you are worthy of the gift. Alrighty. What else do we need to hear and see today? Give thanks for a wonderful day. What can you be thankful for today? As you put your tired mind to bed tonight, take a moment to say thanks. Even if you didn't think it was a wonderful day, surely there were people or moments that made it special. Ask yourself, what made me smile today? And who had an impact on me today? Do that top one. Sometimes a no opens more doors than it closes. Has it ever happened to you before? And what frog message do we have today? I have the ability to reframe my emotions in a way that I can learn from them. Number 11, communal markets. Trust that all you need will come to you. And our last card for today before we go to our quotes. Coral Cathedral. Honor the sacredness of each moment and live fully in the present. What are the things that you might miss if you're not in the present? Alrighty, which box has our quotes? Let's do the surfboard. Joy comes from being present. Peace comes from wanting less. Growth comes from good habits. Healing comes from feeling your truth. Happiness comes from letting go. Wisdom comes from embracing change. No more lowering basic standards and no more tolerating mistreatment. Fear hides inside excitement. Magic hides inside boredom. You are boring. You are magic. And I love you. Spend more time with people who easily bring a smile to your face. I'm still kind. I just don't offer full customer service to people who treat me like a vending machine. Corey Mascara's perspective. Self-love may not make you rich, but it will make you less inclined to buy that thing you thought you needed when trying to feel the emptiness in your heart. Some of the best memories are made in flip-flops. Summer's golden glow is a reminder to live in the moment and love deeply. Smell the sea, feel the sky, let your soul and spirit fly. And the last one today. Tell me how the summer rain feels on your skin. Tell me what keeps you up at night. Tell me where your magic lives. Tell me what ruins you. Tell me where you buried your first heartbreak. Tell me what color joy is. That is the conversations I want. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.